Hello, Beauty Divas. Cerinthia here, and today we are trying out an inspiration hairstyle from Miss Mary Naturals. I'll leave a link for the hair in the description box, but y'all, this hair literally cost me $20. And you know Cerinthia is always down to save a coin, baby. So yes, it is time. We are ready. Let's go. So my hair is washed and deep conditioned. I plaited the back, 3 plaits on each side, 6 plaits in all, and I flat twisted the front for the leave out. And right now what I'm doing is I am pinning the plaits to the scalp so that we could lay down the hair clips. So the hair came with 9 total pieces, 1 10-inch weft, 2 7-inch wefts, 3 5-inch wefts, and 3 3-inch wefts. And y'all, I used all pieces. There was none left over. So y'all, I'm laying the wefts from longest to shortest. Right now I'm laying the 10-inch weft. The clips were a little hard for me to catch on to at first, but then I caught on to it and it became really easy. So don't let that stop you. It's really easy, really quick hairstyle. It literally took me maybe 15 minutes in all to finish the hairstyle. But yeah, first we did the 10, and then we did the 7-inch, and then we did the 5 and the 3-inch wefts, and I liked it very much. Moving right along, we're getting closer and closer to the top, and I am starting to feel this hairstyle, y'all. I am really starting to like it. It looks really realistic. It's not too tight on my head. I could take it out and do it again tomorrow if I wanted to. I could just put a bonnet on it and wear it the next day. Yeah, so we're moving right along with it, and we're down to our very last piece. Yes, let's put it at the top, girl. Let's put it at the top. Okay, right here I am unraveling my flat twist for the leave out, and y'all, I did make a mistake. I flat twisted it with gel, and as I was unraveling it, I noticed flaking from the gel, and I was like, why didn't I use my Lotta Body setting lotion? It works so much better for my hair than gel, but I guess I just really wasn't thinking about it. But lesson learned, next time I will be using my setting lotion to stop, to reduce the flakage. You really can't see it that much, but I noticed it, and it was okay for right now, but we'll know better next time. And here's the finished product. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Until next time, peace.